Srinivasa Ramanujan. Early life. Born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu, India. Grew up in Kumbakonam in a modest Brahman family. Showed an early passion for mathematics, mastering advanced topics by age 12. Education. Received a scholarship to study at Government College in Kumbakonam but lost it due to poor performance in non-math subjects. Despite this, he continued studying mathematics independently, often using an old book called A Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure and Applied Mathematics. Mathematical genius. Developed deep theorems in number theory, infinite series, continued fractions, and modular forms. Created formulas that were entirely original and, in many cases, ahead of their time. Connection with G. H. Hardy. In 1913, Ramanujan wrote to G. H. Hardy, a renowned British mathematician, including over 100 theorems and formulas. Hardy was deeply impressed and brought Ramanujan to Cambridge University in 1914. They collaborated fruitfully, with Hardy comparing Ramanujan's genius to that of Euler and Jacobi. Major contributions: Ramanujan prime and Ramanujan theta function. Mach theta functions now fundamental in modern number theory and string theory. Partition formula to find the number of ways a number can be written as a sum of integers. Remarkable work on modular equations and Q-series. Provided approximations of pi and gamma functions still used today. Later life and death. Struggled with health in England due to cold weather, poor diet, and overwork. Returned to India in 1919 and died on 26 April 1920 at just 32 years old. Legacy. Left behind over 3,900 formulas, many without proofs but later verified to be correct. Honored in India with National Mathematics Day on his birthday, 22nd December. The Ramanujan Journal publishes research inspired by his work. Featured in books and films, including The Man Who Knew Infinity, 2015.